I want to introduce online IDE, that is Remix. Okay, this online IDE gonna help us a lot because we don't need to install any compiler or anything in our systems. Okay, we can write Solid language and this online compiler. Okay, IDE, and we can here it provides kind of facility to compile, test, and deploy also. Okay, so we don't need to bother about all the things, how to deploy, how to test, how to compile our code. Okay, so this IDE gonna help us a lot. Okay, so first of all I just want to mention something like this is the workspace. You can make our workspace here. Okay, and this is a symbol. Okay, so and from here we can compile our code, and you can tick this up so that it can automatically compile our code whenever we're writing our smart contract in Solidity language, so that you can come up with the error, what are the error you are getting in the current time when you are just writing a code. Okay, so that is the section. Okay, so you can tick this up, and apart from this is icon where from where we need to deploy our smart contract. Okay, and you can see the environment. This is keep it default as it is. Okay, and you can see lots of accounts they provide. Okay, so that we can test or deploy our smart contract, and they provided lots of methods so that we can test. Okay, yeah, that's it. Little bit things, and yeah, we'll know more about this later. Okay, so let's jump into our first code of Solidity language. Okay, so this is the home screen that looks like. Okay, so first of all, okay, so you can make any file here. Okay, so first of all what we're gonna do is that we're gonna write our first program, that is hello world. What we did in other language, like when I just start learning other language, and what we did, or what I start, like we start writing a code with the hello world program. Okay, so we'll be doing the same over here. So first of all we'll make a file, okay, with the name hello world. Okay, and the things that I want to mention, that the syntax will be this is extension, not syntax. This is .sol for the Solidity language. Okay, so this is the thing. And first of all we just need to mention the license, otherwise it's going to throw kind of error. You can see, okay, you can see that it's gonna throw kind of error, so that's why we just need to specify the license. After that this is the kind of rules you can say, okay, to start with any program we just want to write in Solidity language. So first of all we just need to mention the version, what version we are going to use to write the Solidity language. Okay, so for that we need to write the code like pragma and then solidity. Okay, then we just need to specify the version. Okay, for this I'm gonna use the latest version above 8. Okay, so 0.8.0. okay, and for this Solidity we just need to specify the contract keywords UNTRSCT, and this contract keyword works as a class. Okay, so contract, and we can specify any name, whatever. But for that it's hello world. Okay, and that's it. This is the first thing that we need to keep in mind, that we just need to start with the version, then contact keyword that will act as a class in other language. Okay, then we need to specify the name. Okay, so right now we just need to make a fast program like hello world. Okay, for that, as hello world is kind of a string, so first of all we'll take a string variable. Okay, take a string variable, and the name will be like anything. I'm taking value and initializing as hello world. Okay, so that's it. And things that in Solid language we don't have any straightforward keyword that we can use to print a statement like any other language. Like we have in Java, we have system outer println and to print a statement. So in Solid language we need to use function for this. Okay, so and in Solid language the way we can create a function like this, first of all we just need to mention the function keyword itself. So function. Okay, then we need to mention our name. What will be the name? So I'm just taking the name print. Okay, and then public. Why public? Because we are going to use this function outside the smart contract. For that reason we just need to make this as public, and we just need to use the view keyword. Why view? I'm just going to discuss this just after that. Okay, then we just need to return it. So that is the returns, not return, just keep it in mind, not return, it's returns. Then we're just going to return the string type. For that reason this is the string, and we just need to specify memory also. Why memory? I'm just discussing this later. Okay, so and then we just need to strictly return the value. Okay, so that is our complete program. Okay, so I just already told that for public we just need to we just need to access this function outside of the smart contract. For that reason we are using the public here, and view is nothing but when we just want to access, when we want to read a particular value from a function, then we can simply need to use the view function, view keyword. Okay, if we don't use the view, then it's gonna give us kind of warning. Okay, so for the reading purposes we need to use the view. Okay, and return is like we just want to return some string type. That's why we just need to specify the returns keyword, and this is the string type. Okay, so memory keyword is basically used to make a local copy of a variable. Okay, so for that reason we are just using the memory keyword. Okay, and compilation is automatically done, and now just need to deploy our code. Okay, so for deployment, okay, so you just need to click on the deploy button. Okay, so yeah, you can see this results, and the interesting thing is that you can see a button that is providing by the Solid language, like unlike the other language. Like if you're just familiar with any other language, then you can relate that. Okay, so this is a new thing in the Solid language. It's just providing us a button. If you click this button, then you can see the statement like hello world. Okay, so this is the fast program in Solid language. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and see you very soon.